morning children. I am going to take now English subject. In the last class we saw the lesson too big and too small. In that lesson Mano, one boy and came. What he says, sometimes he is too big and sometimes he is too small. He is wondering what correct size he is. That lesson we saw. For that lesson we are going to see now book back exercise. Children, take your notebook and write up. Start writing, children. Write neatly. Spell the word and write. Say the letters also. T, I, C, K, tick. Tick. This one is tick. Tick the T, H, E, the. Correct. C, O, R, E, C, T. Tick the correct one. O-N-E, one. T-I-C-K, tick. This is tick. T-H-E, the. C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. O-N-E, one. Children, as I am saying, you also say along with me. T-O-O, two. Small. S-M-A-L-L, small. T-O, two. This is two, double O. This is two. M-A-K-E, make. D-O-S-A, dosa. Dosa means dosai. We are eating our breakfast in the morning, no, dosai, idli. Like that, this one is dosa. Put a small box. Then T-O-O, two. B-I-G, big. T-O, two. Make. M-A-K-E, make. D-O-S-A. Children, we studied in the lesson, no? What Manu is saying? Too small to make dosa. He is too small. He can't make dosa. Which one is correct? He is too big or too small? Say, Manu is too small or too big to prepare dosa in the kitchen room. The kitchen table won't be enough for him to prepare dosa. So, he is too small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Then, this one is the correct one. Put here tick. Leave one line, children, here. Leave one line here. B. Next one. T-O, two. Two, small. S-M-A-L-L, small. T-O, two. Wear. V-E-A-R, wear. Too small to wear. His. H-I-S, his. Old. O-L-D, old. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Too small to. Where is old shirt? T-O-O, two. Big. B-I-G, big. T-O, two. Where? W-E-A-R-E, where? Is. H-I-S, is. O-L-D, old. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Say, children, in the lesson we learnt, no, too small to wear is old shirt. Too big to wear is old shirt. Which one is right answer? Say children. Manu is too big. His old shirt won't be enough for him. The shirt will be very tight. So, this is the correct one. Put here tick. Then leave one line here and write next one. T-O-O, too. Big. B-I-G, big. T-O, too. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. The. T-H-E, the. Baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. Keep full stop children. As you finish the sentence, you should keep a full stop. You should finish the sentence here. T-O, too. Small. S-M-A-L-L, small. T-O, too. Carry. C-A-R-R-Y, carry. T-H-E, the. Baby. B-A-B-Y, baby. Small box you put the side. Okay. Too big to carry the baby. Too small to carry the baby. Say children, Manu is too big or small? He can't carry the baby. So, he is too small to carry the baby. This is the correct one. Children, write neatly, leave space. Leave here one finger space. Okay? See here. Leave one finger space and write neatly. If you are having 2 lines notebook means, touch the 2 line and write. Who said this word? Choose and write. This one book back answer, page number 74. Page number 74. W-H-O, who. S-A-I-D, said. T-H-E-S-E, these. Words. W-O-R-D-S, words. Choose and write. C-H-O-O-S-E, choose. And A-N-D, and write. W-R-I-T-E, choose and write. I am giving the choose here. M-O-M, mom. Mano, M-A-N-O, Mano. Grandpa, G-R-A-N-D, P-A, grandpa. What? W-H-A-T, what? Am I? Am, A-M, am. I. What am I? The T-H-E, the right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Size, S I Z E, size. For, F O R, for. Say children, who said this sentence? Mano is saying this sentence in the lesson. What is saying? What am the right size for? நான் என்ன size கரெக்டாக இருப்பேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு is wonder. So, who is saying this word? Mom or Mano or grandpa? Who is saying? Say children. Mano. Yes, Mano is saying this sentence in the lesson. M-A-N-O. Mano. I. Can't. C-A-N-T. Can't. Lift. L-I-F-T. Children listen, put a small comma here, up, upwards. C-A-N, between N and T, up you write here. Y-O-U, U, up, U-P, up. Here also you put children. Full stop. I can't lift you up. Who is saying this sentence? Say, mom is saying this sentence. Mano's mother is saying this sentence. M-O-M. நான் தூக்க முடியலன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. அவனை வந்து லிஃப்ட் பண்ண முடியல. மனோ வந்து தூக்க முடியல பிகாஸ் he is too big. So, his mother is saying this sentence. Y-O-U. You can't. C-A-N-T. Can't. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. I-N. In. T-H-E. The. Cradle. C-R-A-D-L-E. Cradle. Finish the sentence and keep a full stop. Who is saying this sentence? You can't sleep in the cradle. உன்னால தொட்டில தூங்க முடியாது. Why? Because Mano is too big. He can't sleep in the cradle. Then who is saying this sentence? His grandpa. அவங்க மனோவுடைய தாத்தா சொல்கிறாங்க இந்த சென்டென்ஸை. G-R-A-N-D-P-A. Grandpa. See here. The answer is given in the box. You should choose and write the word here. What am the right size for? Who is saying this sentence? Mano. M-A-N-O. Mano is saying this sentence. I can't lift you up. Who is saying this sentence? Mano's mom. M-O-M. Mom. See here. This answer is here. You should choose and write here. M-O-M. Mom. You can't sleep in the cradle. Who is saying this sentence? Mano's grandfather. See here. Grandpa is here. You should choose and write the answer here. Understand children? I am saying and writing no. Likewise you also say and write children. As I am writing on the board, you also take a notebook and write along with me. Then only you can understand the words and spelling. W R I T E. Write the meanings. M E A N I N G S. Meanings of. Write the meanings of. W O N D E R. Wonder. What is the meaning for this word wonder? Surprise. S U R P R I S E. Surprise. Hug. H U G. Hug. Action of holding. A C T I O N. Action. Of. O F. Of. Holding. H O L D I N G. Manu is wondering whether he is too small or too big. He is surprised whether he is too big or too small. Wonder. Surprise. Hug. In the lesson last I told you he got a hug from his grandmother. Hug. W R I T E. Write T H E. The. Past tense. P A S T. Past tense. T N T E N S E. Past tense of. Past tense means present tense, past tense, நிகழ்காலம், எதிர்காலம் அப்படி சொல்லுவோம் இல்லைங்களா, அதுதான். கடந்த காலம். இப்போ இது HUG. hug. hugged. 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 Hug means action of holding. HUGGED. Double G will come here. HUGGED. You should add ED. Go. 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 Went. WENT. கோனா அவன் இப்போ போகிறான், வெண்ட்னா அவன் போயிட்டான். கேரி. CARRY. கேரி. கேரி present tense. carried past tense. CARR. Instead of Y you should write IED. Instead of Y, write here IED. Hug, hugged. Go, went. Carry, carried. Walk. 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 Walked. 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 நடந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கான், நடந்து போயிட்டான். Sleep. 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 Slept. SLEPT. தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கான், தூங்கிட்டான். Take. 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 Took. 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 எடுக்கிறான், எடுத்து முடிச்சிட்டான். took is all present tense. This one past tense. இது நடக்கிறது, இது நடந்து முடிந்தவை. Say and write children. Say each and every spelling. Children, in the page number 75, Valli and Chittu are very good friends. Valli is one girl, Chittu is goat. Today they are counting the things they have. They are going to count the things they are having. Goat is saying, goat name is Chittu. What goat is saying? I have one banana, one cap and one toy. O-N-E, one banana. One banana. Who is having? Chittu is having. Then one, O-N-E, one, C-A-P, cap, one cap. Then one toy. O-N-E, one toy. Then Valli is saying, what Valli is having? She is saying, I have 4 bananas. 4 bananas she is having. F-O-U-R, 4. B-A-N-A-N-A-S, 4 bananas. Then again what she is having? I am having 2 caps. Cap means what? Toppi. C-A-P-S, caps. Then again what she is saying? I am having 3 toys. Toys means teddy bear, Barbie girl, bommai. Two caps, 3 toys. This one who is saying? Chittu is saying. This one who is saying? Valli is saying. Then Chittu, goat is asking, why do you add yes to your words? What Chittu, goat is asking, why you are adding yes to your words? See here, yes. Why? Say why? Because this is one. திஸ் இஸ் மோர் தென் ஒன். ஒன்னை விட இது அதிகமாக இருக்குது. இங்கே பாருங்கள், திஸ் ஒன் 1 cap, திஸ் ஒன் 2 caps. ஒன்னை விட இது அதிகமாக இருக்குது, மோர். தென் 1 toy, திஸ் ஒன் இஸ் 3 toys. 3 லிசன் இயர், எது அதிகமாக இருக்குது பாருங்கள். 1 அதிகமாக இருக்கா, 3 அதிகமாக இருக்கா? 3 தான் அதிகமாக இருக்குது. அதனால் அந்த வேர்டுக்கு நம்ம எஸ், we are adding எஸ் சேர்க்குறோம். எஸ், எஸ்ன்ற லெட்டரை நம்ம அதில் சேர்க்குறோம். திஸ் இஸ் சிங்குலர், திஸ் இஸ் ப்ளூரல். ஓகே, சிங்குலர் அண்ட் ப்ளூரல். ஸோ பள்ளி is adding எஸ் to the words. Say children, banana, bananas, cap, caps, toy, toys. Understand children? ஒன்றை விட அதிகமாக இருந்தால் அந்த வேர்டுக்கு நம்ம எஸ் சேர்க்கணும். லெட்டர் எஸ்ஸை நம்ம சேர்க்கணும். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் சிங்குலர் அண்ட் ப்ளூரல். Thank you children.